Hello. So this is the weekly time. So I'll be reading for 4 days now from 1st April to 4th of April. How will be this week for you guys? Let's start with the air signs today and we will be starting from Geminis. How will be this week for the Geminis? These 4 days, 1st to 4th April for Geminis. For Gemini's, Page of Cups, Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands, Six of Cups, Two of Wands, and Ten of Wands. So there are a lot of wands here, right? So lot of things related to work here is been shown here. Okay, first of all, I would like to give you the good news, my dear Geminis, that you will be receiving some good news from your love partner and the reconciliation this week is possible. And if you want to try to reach out to your partner, you may, because these 4 days from 1st April to 4th of April is very auspicious for you and it's going to give you the very positive result for related to your love sector, right? And reconciliation is there. And other sectors, as I can see that you will be most of the time, as you belong to the air sign, so you will be in some kind of a heights on the cloud 9 or something, which is going to make you very much overconfident, and you are not going to you are going to ignore the things which is not good for you, right? You are going to ignore, and which might give you like due to some kind of a overconfidence, you might take some kind of a decisions which will be putting you in like some kind of a wait, some kind of a delays will be there in the results. So don't be overconfident this week, and due to that you will be working very hard, but all the decisions which will be made by you, taken by you this week related to work, which is going to cause you much more stress this week related to work. So don't be overconfident. If you feel any kind of a problem related to your work thing, take some advice, take some guidance from a person who is experienced in this field or age, right? That person is going to guide you. So this was your read, my dear Geminis, this week. Don't be overconfident this week and pay and just work whatever is required. Just put that amount of work into that, right? And don't be argumentative, don't be judgmental, and don't be like in a fight mode with others, because your aggression will be at the peak this week for these 4 days. Maintain your aggression. So good news is only this, that reconciliation is on the cards this week. All the best, and if you like it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. So now let's read for the Librans. How will be these 4 days starting of the week for Librans? The star, 8 of Cups and 7 of Cups. Lot of confusion this week, lot of feeling of disappointment. I can't see the disappointment, but you will be feeling very disappointment. I can sense that. Start of the April will be like blasting. You will be good, right? So okay, my dear darling Librans, I'm mentioning myself also being a Libran. So my dear darling Librans, here I would like to tell you that do not trust anyone, at least for these 4 days, 1st to 4th April. Do not trust anyone related to money, related to yourself, related to your honor, related to your finances, related to your work. Do not trust. Just trust yourself, trust your instincts, trust yourself, and take some time before reaching up to any kind of a decision. And there is some sort of disappointment is there. You might spend more than expected. So take due control of your finances. If you cannot control your finances, if you feel that you need to spend, then take some time off, right? you must take some kind of a time off from it, and don't hesitate to take any kind of a guidance from a elder person of yours, or in your life from like your father, brother, somewhere, something like this, some elder person I can see. Do not hesitate to take their guidance, right? You might be feeling very illusioned this week, you might be into a lot of doubts, you might be into a lot of pressure, you might be into a lot of thoughts, many things, many things, you will be into many things, right? It will be all illusioned, not, it's not practical. So don't take decision based on your own created illusions or assumptions until unless you see that thing practically. Don't take any kind of a decisions, don't make a move until unless you see something grounded by yourself. So these 4 days, my dear Librans, these are good days for you. I will not say anything wrong about it, because you are a very positive person. You, that is why you are looking for so many approaches, that is why you are looking for so many hopes into this current situation. Only the thing is this, that you need to take care of your finances. Do not jump to the judgments, or do not jump to the conclusions on the like immediate basis, and guidance is strictly required for every action for at least these 4 days, Librans. So this was your read. If you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. One thing I would like to mention, Libras, the energy I picked while picking up the cards is that advices will be flowing in, right? So listen to everyone, listen to each and every advice, listen to each and every detailing of the advice. Then do take some any kind of a do take the guidance of your some known person or something like this, and then jump to the conclusion that what you should do. But advices are flowing in, but those advices are going to make you make you more what you say, I'm not getting a proper word for that, but those advices are going to make you more confused. That's a proper word I got finally. That is going to make you more confused. So don't run to the confusion. Just do not take a decision at the heck of it. Just settle down, take a long deep breath, let the day pass let the days pass till the 4th of April, and then we'll see what to do, right? So this was your read, my dear Librans. So let's go to the Aquarius. How will be this week from 1st to 4th of April? How will be this week for Aquarius from 1st to 4th of April? 5 of Pentacles, Justice, and 8 of Pentacles. All money thing. Aquarius, Queen of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, and Queen of Wands. So a lot of financial issues and financial decisions you got to take this week, my dear Aquarians. Trust God, Aquarians. Trust God and His activities. Whatever the Almighty is doing right now, trust that, because whatever He is doing is going to be in your benefit. In coming future, you are going to shine a lot. So first 2-3 days you will be like quite confused. You will be really in a need of money. You will be really giving a thought of investing some money in some kind of a projects, but do not take decisions at least for first 2-3 days, right? After that you will come to the conclusion what you should do, right? So I can sense this much only from this read, that finances will be the really major core of for you Aquarius for this week. But trust me, the God power is with you, the God hands is on you, His blessings are on you. So before just like leaving your heart disheartened or feeling disheartened or something like that, just trust Him, right? Because that is the only person, or that is only the thing, or that is the only the power which is going to take you out of the miseries or confusions, and which will lead you to the final conclusion, and that will be into your benefit, right? Some female power I can see with you, either in the form of your mother, or in the form of your elder sister, or in the form of your aunt, or some of the co-worker working with you who is elder to you. Take the due guidance, good guidance, that woman is going to provide you the good guidance, right? So that is I can see in this read of yours for from 1st to 4th of April, my dear Aquarians. If you like the read, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's go to the water signs. Let's see what the Cancerians have to go through from 1st to 4th April. How will be these 4 days for my lovely Cancerian, beautiful Cancerians. They are very beautiful. 5 of Swords, King of Cups. Okay, I can sense that someone, the energy I'm picking from here is that someone is really missing you, Cancerians, right? Someone is going to really miss you. Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, 2 of Swords, and the Judgment. First of all, let's talk something about good this week, Cancerians. That the end of the week will be very good and satisfying for you. Personal level, financial level, and everything. First start of the week will be quite stressed. You will be feeling that you are left alone. You will be feeling that nobody is helping you out. You will be feeling very left out. You will be feeling that nobody is helping you out in any kind of a task or job. You are all alone that you got to manage. But I can sense some kind of a energy from some kind of a female who is elder to you, right? That woman, or of same age also, that woman is going to be with you, which you are totally ignoring. That woman woman hand is with you, that support is with you. Mid of the week, it's been suggested that do not be over emotional and do not take the decision because of the emotions is being suggested to you. And last day of the start of the week will be good. Personal level front will be whole soul good for you, my dear Cancerians. I would rather say beautiful Cancerians. This week I can sense that the energy, the channel message I'm picking up, that you will be concentrating more of your Venus thing, right? Because you will be really glowing this week. Your aura is, Venus factor is going to be really at the peak, and you will be getting a lot of attention this week. You will be really glowing. You will be really charming this week, right? So this was the read, Cancerians, and if you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's go for the read for the Scorpios. How will be this week for the lovely Scorpios? Justice, the World, 8 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, and the Magician. Scorpios, good thing first, that if you are going through some legal issues, then those will be in your favor. The Wheel of Fortune is going to turn, and those things will be in your favor, legal issues. And if you are about to get married, then the date will be fixed. And if you are expecting some kind of a commitment related to marriage, that is coming. Related to your personal factor, that is also there, because I can sense that one card is the World and the other is Fortune. So whole of the karmic section will be over. Now we will go to other phase of our life, Scorpios. So one sector of your life related to your personal issues or any other issues, you will be really heavenly, blessed, right? And now let's go to the other thing. You will be feeling quite disappointed at the end of the week. You will be in great thoughts. You will be feeling like that you are left out. You will be feeling that you should be awarded with much more, but you are being awarded less. But my dear Scorpios, trust me, whatever is being happened to you or gifted to you, that is the blessing of God, because this much was good for you. This much is good for you. If you will be awarded more, then that won't be causing any good for you. That will be all waste, and moreover that could cause the problems for the future. So trust your instincts, trust yourself. You have full capability to go more far off with the more strong, for the more stronger things and more stronger positions, right, Scorpios? So this was your read. If you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Scorpios, I also sensed while picking up the cards for the next read that I also sensed a channel message that one of your karmic circle of life will be ended this week. Some other circle is going to be open. So while accepting any projects, while accepting any other future proposals, do give a very good thought about it, right? That might feel, you might feel with that those proposals that this is not according to your hard work, but trust me, those will be really good for your future, because those are coming from the God himself, right? So now let's go to the Pisces. How will be this week for the Pisces, like 1 to 4th April? How will be this week? Let's see. Again the Justice, King of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, the Death, 2 of Cups and Ace of Cups. Pisces, do take care of the health of your loved one, because I can sense some kind of a bad feeling about it, that there could be a death, God forbids, but that there could be a death. So do take care in your family or some near one. So do take care of the person whosoever is sick. Do take care of your health also, right? And moreover, some life phase is going to be changing. Some life sector is going to be ending, and some new sector of your life will be opening up. And related to your I suppose you are soon going to get the commitment related to your future with your spouse, to be spouse, or from their parents, or from, you will be getting a yes nod from them, right? I can also sense that people who wish to get married will be granted, the wish will be granted this week. And related to finances, you will be getting some very good news, my dear. Finances, related to finances, you will be getting the good news this week. So whole soul, the week will be good. Only one thing is to be taken care of. The person who in your family, whosoever is sick, needed due care. It could include your pet also, if you are having one, right? So this was your read. If you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's go to the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's start with the Aries sign. How will be this week for my lovely Aries? That is 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, clarifiers, 10 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. So my dear Aries, I think I can sense that you will be doing some kind of a charities, or you will be helping some needy people this week. That is very good, Aries. Very good. And because you will be doing some kind of a charities, or you will be helping some kind of a needy people, either in your family or outside, you will be blessed this week by the God himself. Very nice. You will be your home sector, your personal life sector of your life will be fully content and will be fully satisfied, which is going to give you the good result in coming time also. You will never be feeling left out related to finances, my dear Aries, right? So, and you will be having some kind of a small journeys are expected this week, or you will be expecting some good news from the far off places, right, Aries? And if you were sick, or anybody in your family was sick, that is going to be, or he or she is going to be getting recovered this week health wise. And I can also sense some good vibes coming to your home and work place. Aries, this is a good week for you. These 4 days will be, you will be really blessed. Whole soul good week. No bad news, no bad news, nothing bad news. So this was your read, my dear Aries. Very short and very sweet and very blessed, I would say, very divine. I'm jealous of you. I want to be Aries this way. So this was your read, and if you liked it, then do hit like, share, and subscribe. Lovely Aries. Thank you. Let's go to the Leos. How will be this week for the Leos? The High Priestess, Seven of Wands, Page of Cups. Expecting some news to happen to you. The Emperor. Okay. Six of Pentacles. The Strength. Yes. Okay, someone is really missing you badly, and that person is going to communicate soon to you, right? And if you are thinking of the communication, giving a communication call or a message to that person, you may, because you are going to win. But if you can wait, then wait, because the communication is still coming to you, my dear Leos. Okay, in this week it is being suggested to you that do trust your instinct power, right? And if any guidance is needed, then do take the guidance from some of the elder member of your family, like your father or somewhere, right? And it's being also being advised that don't be egoistic this week, don't stick to something, but you need to manipulate some powers. Yes, you need to manipulate, you have to be manipulative this week because the wind flowing is somewhat opposite to your views, your ideas, right? And if you are going to manipulate the circumstances that you are right now in, you are going to get gains related to your finances. So financially this week will be good to you. Trust your inner instincts, and good news related to your love sector is approaching, and you will be very happy, in a very happy and going mood this week, right? So this was your week, my dear Leos. All the best, and if you like the read, then do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's go to the Sagittarius, the last sign for the fire sign. Let's go to the Sagittarius. Sagittarius, what is happening? You really wish to hear this read, I suppose. That's why the cards are flowing out. Page of Cups, Queen of Cups, and the Sun. Sagittarians. Well, let's see the clarifiers. I wish no wrong cards come, because these Ten of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Lovers. Okay, love wise, good news, very good. New proposals are coming in, and if you are still interested in your old or ex, the old proposal is coming back, the ex is coming back, so lot of related to love area, related to your personal area. These 4 days will be really good to you, good for you. Enjoy your personal thing, because that is going to be really good, and you're going to take good decisions related to your personal life, whether accepting the ex or not, or just to make your ex chase you. And as far as some advices are concerned this week, the advice is this, that do not trust anyone blindfoldedly or emotionally. You will be emotionally high this week, Sagittarius, and because of that you might lose some money. So do care of your investments, and do take care of your hard-earned money, my dear lovely Sagittarius, because people easily can make fool of you related to your money this week from 1st to 4th of April. Do not take any decisions related to finances when you are very emotionally weak or very emotional, right? And if you got to take any kind of a decision, do take anybody's guidance, whether you should take or not, and whatever that person advise you, do follow that blindly. Trust me, you are not going to lose anything then, right? So this was your read, my dear Sagittarius. If you liked it, then do like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you. Now, earth signs. Let's see earth signs. Taurians. High Priestess, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool, Ace of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and Ten of Wands. In the last Sagittarius read, I got the High Priestess, something like that. Okay, no. There was some other read. Okay, Now let's go to the Taurians. So this week, please trust your instincts, and if you're manifesting something, my dear Taurians, that is going to approach you. If you are manifesting something related to your personal life, then that is going to approach you very soon, my dear Taurians. So your manifesting thing is being listened by, answered by God Himself this week. Related to finances, do not take any decision related to finances in a haste. If you are going to take any decision in a haste, then that will be not easy to recover back, right? I will not say that it will be a loss, mind it. I am not saying it will be a loss, but it will not give you any kind of a good profits also for the coming future. The profits will be, if the profits will be there, then that will be very late. So related to finances, do think a lot. Whatever your inner guts are saying, follow that and apply that, right? This week you will be praised because of your finances, because some people really want to dig out some kind of a finances from you, out of you, so that if they are going to praise you, if they are going to mooching you, then you might lose some money just for the heck of it. So don't get into their charming woos or something. Just do take care of your hard earned money. And if any kind of a love proposals or a new business proposals are coming to you, do give a good thought about it. Without giving a good thought, if you're going to take a decision, then that is going to create a stress level high for you, right? So do not take any kind of a bigger decisions this week. I would recommend that, my dear Taurians. So this was your read for the week. If you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's go to Virgos. Let's go to Virgos. How will be this week for the Virgos? Let's see the Devil. Three of Wands and the Queen of Swords. Okay. Ace of Swords, the Emperor and Two of Cups. Here in this read, the energy which I am picking up, my dear Virgos, is that do not trust your lover this week. He or she is having no good instincts towards you. He or she might wants to just sleep with you, make out with you, and then will be leaving you alone, right? So do not trust the love proposals which are approaching you this week. Do not trust them, because that will be not giving you happiness later on, right? So this is the best advice which I can provide you, my dear Virgos, this week. And as far as the other things are concerned, you got to deal with some very egoistic person this week, but you will be very much successful. Why? Because of your blunt nature and of your very straightforward nature. You are going to crack that ego of that particular person. There will be a cold wave between you and that person. I can sense that thing in the family, right? There will be a cold wave between you and your partner. If you are expecting some kind of good news from abroad or some far off place, then it is coming this week, my dear Virgos. I feel that you wanted to start something of your own this week, but do take care of your emotions this week, because I can sense that someone can make fool of your emotions, right, my dear lovely Virgos, right? So this was your read. If you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's go to the Capricorns. How will be this week for Capricorn from 1st to 4th of April? 4 days for Capricorns. How will be these 4 days for the Capricorns? Queen of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and eight major arcana, that is the Strength. Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Fortune, Wheel of Fortune. You will be having some bad news this week, right? And a heartbreak I can sense, or I can see some kind of death of a relationship. I can also sense that there will be a hot argument or hot wave between you, between the love partners. Finances will be good this week. If you are expecting some finances from any kind of a project, then that is happening and that is coming to you, my dear Capricorns. But I can also sense, I can also feel that, Capricorns, that you will be trying to be like very, though there is a heartbreak in this week, but you will be all collected, and phase of life will be ending and a new phase will be starting of your life. I don't know what is that. We will be reading that in the next week. But some phase of your life is ending, another phase will be starting, I suppose. But I hope you will be able to take this heartbreak nicely, because I can sense that you have a lot of strength this week to manage or to go through this heartbreak of yours. I can see the end of some kind of a relationship or some kind of a partnership this week. So, but I'm also picking up a energy that Capricorns, you might be very manipulative this week, and might try to uh, take care of this heartbreak in another sense, and you might mend up your heart or your partner heart, or you can have a hope of this thing of mending up, Capricorns, because you will be manipulative this week, right? So this was your read, my dear Capricorns, and if you liked it, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.